You are super excited to move to a new city like New York City to live your city dreams, and all of a sudden, reality slams you in the face. The average cost to rent an apartment in New York City is $5,588 per month. Did I read that right? Wow. How in the world did we get here, and what can you do to find some deals in a city like New York City? Stick around and let's unpack this. Back during the pandemic, cities like New York City became ghost towns. People were told to stay home, and cities looked like a scene out of Will Smith's I Am Legend. Since the vaccine was announced in 2021 though, there was a rush of new residents flocking to major cities like New York City. At the same time, this year, mortgage rates more than doubled, pushing would-be first-time homebuyers to compete on those rental homes instead. I just did a lease renewal on a downtown Manhattan one-bedroom at $7,500 per month. That's crazy. That used to be a nice two-bedroom home territory just a few years ago. So, what can you do to stay ahead of this rat race when trying to find a new rental? Here are a few of my suggestions. Try searching for a bit further away from the prime areas of the city. For example, instead of trying to find a rental in downtown Manhattan, look uptown or in the other boroughs like Queens or the Bronx. Rents can be up to 30% lower for something similar. You may be downsizing to live in a small apartment in the city, but having a roommate can really save you a lot of money. You could divide a one-bedroom and make it into two, giving you a lot more value. But yeah, sure, your bathroom may be your kitchen. Swiping right to find a new roommate may be as easy as subscribing to this channel to get all your real estate news. Another option is signing a longer-term lease, say 24 or 36 months, and ask your landlord to provide you with a few months of free rent in return. Your total rent payments will come out cheaper over the life of the lease. Plus, you won't have the headache of moving out soon. Friends, high rents are not going anywhere soon and may just be the new norm. So trying to get the best value may be paramount to moving to a large city like New York. Are there any other tricks that you would like to share? Let me know in the comments below. If you need help with your real estate search, contact me. Before you hop off, be sure to check out this rad video on your real estate journey. See you later.